Months after the High Court suspended the controversial instant traffic fine system over constitutional concerns, the National Transport and Safety Authority, NTSA, is once again moving to operationalize the framework beginning June 1st. This time it is different. Motorists accused of minor traffic offences will receive digital notifications and will not be required to immediately appear in court. But even as the government promises efficiency and accountability, confusion and fear are now emerging among motorists over surveillance cameras, possible abuse, and whether the system will truly be fair. Our Susan Waweru reports.
A fresh attempt by the government to digitize traffic law enforcement, one that could fundamentally change how motorists interact with traffic police and the courts.
The National Transport and Safety Authority wishes to notify members of the public that the government will now operationalize a modernized enforcement framework for minor traffic offences under Section 117 and 117A of the Traffic Act, Cap 403, effective 1st June 2026.
But this time, motorists accused of committing minor traffic offences will no longer be required to appear in court immediately, and they also have two options.
Instead, they'll receive police notification of traffic offense. Offenses can be detected either by police officers during routine enforcement or electronically via traffic cameras and other digital monitoring system. Upon receiving the notice, motorists have two options. They may admit liability and pay the prescribed fine within the stipulated period, or they may dispute the allegation in court.
NTSA says the system is meant to improve road safety, accountability, and reduce the growing backlog of traffic cases in courts. But the rollout is reopening old wounds. In March this year, the High Court suspended implementation of the same instant fines framework after lawyer Shadrack Wamboi challenged its legality.
Following the withdrawal of the earlier notice on the rollout of minor traffic offences system, NTSA, in collaboration with National Police, Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, Judiciary, and other relevant enforcement agencies, has reviewed the minor traffic offences, developed internal procedures to guide the implementation framework.
But despite the internal procedures, many motorists remain skeptical.
Sawa, hiyo ni sawa, as long as kama wanatuma ile prom code ile mimi naweka kama ni fine nailipa kwa simu yangu. Bora nisome kweli inaendana na ile makosa nimefanya fresh.
Hatutajua, kuna watu wengi wa pande ya pikipiki, wengine hawachasoma, kuna wengine wamesoma. Sasa tuseme kwa upande wale wenye hawachasoma itakuwa namna gani? Because masomo labda itakuja kwa Kisungu ama kwa Kiswahili na watafafanua kwa njia yenye yule mwendeshaji wa pikipiki hawezi kuelewa. Itakuwa namna gani? Sababu nitakuwa nimefanya makosa, nitakuwa nimeudhi yule askari. Na pale kotini, yule kotini anapelekewa makosa kuangalia ile makosa ulifanya na yule atakuwa akielezea. So mimi kwa pande yangu sioni kama inaweza kuwa muhimu.
For some, the biggest concern is not paying fines, but the growing reliance on surveillance cameras and digital systems they neither understand nor trust.
Mimi sioni kama iko fair. Sababu kuna mambo mengi ya AI. Sasa kuna watu wanaweza tegeleza mambo yao, ama hiyo system, hiyo software ya hizo kamera ilete shida. Ama mtu awe na chuki na wewe, unaenda unapigwa faini ile wanafikiria. Mimi sioni ikiwa fair.
As the June 1st rollout date approaches, NTSA now faces the difficult task of convincing motorists that the new system is not only efficient, but also fair, transparent, and free from abuse. Susan Waweru, NTV.